गुड इवनिंग हल्दर सर। आज बिहार में बहुत ज़ोर शोर से चर्चा हो रही है कि प्रशांत किशोर भूमिहार नेता के रूप में उभर रहे हैं और उनकी पार्टी को बीजेपी 2 अक्टूबर 2024 को लॉन्च करने जा रही है और उस दिन अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में भी मनाया जाता है और महात्मा गांधी का जन्मदिन भी है। तो लोग बता रहे हैं कि अगर प्रशांत किशोर को अगर कोई चुनौती देंगे तो सियाराम हल्दर मिश्रा EWS किसान पुत्र ही दे सकते हैं। तो यहाँ लड़ाई 10 बीघा वर्सेस 2 बीघा का है। 10 बीघा प्रशांत किशोर के पास है और 2 बीघा सियाराम हल्दर मिश्रा जी के पास है। हल्दर मिश्रा जी उनसे मतलब प्रशांत किशोर से बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं, PhD स्कॉलर हैं और भविष्य के कहीं न कहीं VC बनने वाले हैं। तो आप इस पर किस नज़रिए से देखते हैं? प्रशांत किशोर को आप कैसे चुनौती देंगे?
No, thanks for comparing me and comparing the man of a 2 lands
2 बीघा लैंड 2 बीघा लैंड
and 2 बीघा जमीन किसान and 10 बीघा और 100 बीघा जमीन
प्रशांत किशोर।
I tell you, I don't know Prashant Kishore ji. He may also not know me. But the fact is this: I knew he has been through newspapers, and I have been hearing from my friends also.
हाथ स्थिर रखिए।
His characters and everything. I really appreciate his cephalogist skill, through which he had really became a national figure. And later on, he became Indian Bihar politics also. And he had also moved a lot of, he had rallied around in all Bihar. He had made a foot march in all areas. And people, I just, you are telling me, I just also read in the newspaper. There's forming a new party in Bihar. But I would like to tell you, Prashant Kishore is voice of Dumrao State, Tekadi State, like Papu Jadhav. He is also a voice of Kursila State and big landlords. But here is a question of 2 lands and the aspirations of the man who had really seen how to, the struggle to come up, took their study. And I tell you, I am from Gaya. I know Prashant Kishore is from Buxar area or that area, Dumrao area. And from a good background, family background and good landlord background. Like Buxar has been always represented by big landlords. Even my teacher, who had won MP, I was a student in Patna University, Patna College, K.K. Tiwari sir. He had been a good leader of the Congress, and really he was a good speaker also. He was a good teacher of mine. I touched his feet. But here in 77 Haldar, the wave that came and that really rocked India and blew in India, that is the marginalized section of the Indian farmers. So here is a question of voice of 2 bigha lands, not of 10 bigha or 100 bigha lands, farmers, EWS, or even OBCs, Jadwas are also a very big landlords. But here, like Laluji has been a voice of, and throughout his life, so Professor Ramdas Sinha in 77, their voice of 2 landlords, 2 acre landlords, or 2 bigger landlords. On the other hand, these all peoples like even Ramasa Singh, who is no more, or Sri Babu, the first year, they were all speakers in the voice, even Sundar Singh of
Satyendra Narayan Singh.
They were all, or even Ramdas Yadav, and they were all voice of big landlords. In the same category, in the same criteria, I do see Prashant Kishore is a voice of all the big landlords of Bihar, irrespective of caste and color. So that is the question is here. Yes, I have a struggle in my life. I am son of a poor farmer of Gaya district, and I had come a long way. I had researched a long way to the struggle and reach to that highest stage of education. I always give importance to education, not to like others to get money and to get a job, high profile job, or to leave India to become millionaires in America or USA. What these landlords who are from the representing voice of Prashant Kishori's voice of those class who always flow to USA and other countries and their voice of that one. So here is a voice of two bigger landlords categories, EWS and Jadwas, Rajputs, Brahmins and marginalized sections of the Bihar.
But somebody say Prashant Kishore is also PhD scholar from Oxford University, correct or incorrect?
I don't know. So I don't know. Only I know he was a psephologist. That's all.
तो
And
भाई you will challenge Prashant Kishore, but you don't know about his
I'm not
history
telling
and
you.
education.
I'm the voice. Yes, if I'm speaking, I'm directly speaking to Tejasvi Prasad,
Yadav.
Central Chief Minister, not Jadhav.
Okay.
It is, I know Lalu Prasad Yadav, who is a voice, and so that voice of the final sections, not like So I am telling you that I am directly speaking to the heart of Tejasvi Prasad, Central Chief Minister of Bihar. I am not talking about Ramdas Paswan. He is not the voice of. I am also voice of marginalized Paswans.
Okay.
Ramdas Paswan is also voice of rich landlords. It also comprises that. Even Tariq Anwar. He is not voice of poor landlords. Always they are voice of big landlords like Bapu Jadhav and all.
What do you want to say from this example to give to you to give this Pappu Yadav, Tariq Anwar, Lalu Prasad Yadav? What do you want to say?
I want to say that come and Rahul Gandhi also now is a voice of poor people, poor landlords, what he's saying. And really he's a dynamic man. The way he had fought, that I'm saying is that, and because they should footmark the marginalized sections and leader is he should fight, he will come with that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.